Hey there from Bugeye.com. This is what we've been working on this week. Of course, we do lots of conversions and improvements to cars that we don't sell. And here's one that we're on this week. It's a 1275 backplate for a 5-speed conversion job. But when we took off the transmission, that hole right there came into light. That's the oil pump cover, and it's not supposed to have a hole in it. And here's why. This bolt here, which would obviously, the hole's on the other side, so would the bolt be if I turn the pump over. But anyway, it's chafed here because of the flywheel. Those are not chafed. That one's been grinding on the flywheel. And why? Well, this is a 1275 block from that car with a 948 camshaft in it. That's where the oil pump lives. There's the back of the crank. If you're unfamiliar, the flywheel rides on there, and this was sticking out too far and hitting the flywheel. So we've got to change the camshaft here. No problem, we have one in stock. A nice 1275 cam for this 1275 engine. And he's going to need new tappets to ride on that new cam, so we have a nice relationship between cam and tappet. But check this out, this is the main bearing cap that lives there. Now, if you're unfamiliar, that's the crankshaft going across, and this main bearing cap is not supposed to have copper showing here. That's all bearing wear right there, and then some scoring on the crankshaft. So we need to deal with all of that, and before we can get to the 5-speed conversion, we've got some issues to address on this one. So we have a project which is common for us. We also have cars that are fully sorted. It's all going on here to make the fleet as wonderful as possible, and that's what we're up to this week at Bugeye.com.